Alright, so we're going to find the total area of this cone. We're going to find the area of the base and the area of the lateral side, which is the face, and put them together. Now, we just talked about the formula for all of this, and we know that the formula for lateral area is pi times the radius times the slant height, and the base area is pi times the radius squared. So we're just going to look at this information and put all that together. The radius is given to us as 5. We need the slant height, which is 10, plus the radius again, which is 5. 10 plus 5 is 15, times 5 is 75. Pi, since we're talking about area, we're going to do it in units squared, because area is always a square unit. Let's take a look at the second cone. The second cone doesn't give us the slant height, it gives us the regular height. So in order to find the slant height, we need to take a look at the triangle wedge that's formed by the height, which is 2, and the radius, which is 1. The slant height is this part. Well, since a height is perpendicular, that means this is a right triangle, so we can use our good old friend, the Pythagorean theorem. It doesn't matter which of these sides is A and which is B. I'm just going to put them in. 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 1 plus 4 is 5. If I want to find C, I just take the square root of both sides of the equation. So the slant height is 5. So I'm going to go back to my old formula again. The total area is pi times the radius, which is 1, times the slant height, which is square root of 5, plus the radius, which is 1. Anything times 1 is itself. I can't add these two pieces because they're both not the same radicand, so they're not like terms. So all I'm going to do is just distribute my pi. So I've got pi times the square root of 5. I'm going to put my square root of 5 first, so it's in proper order. And 1 times pi is pi. And this would be centimeters squared because it's area. So that's it for your examples for total area of a cone.